Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar did end up pushing up pretty good. We had that nice breaker structure, and this was a Fibonacci bounce, so it was a pretty nice little entry to go long for sure. I took it all the way up just past the 61% from right around here, so definitely a pretty good trade. Now, I do understand that the trend is up on every single higher time frame. I think a lot of people are expecting to see a big pullback on the daily time frame, but when the trend is up like this, I really don't think we should be fighting the trend. I think there's a very good chance that it will take out the previous highs right here, and it might even go to the top of this channel that I got going on here. So I'm definitely still looking for longs unless I see some evidence on a higher time frame, like a breaker structure, or at least a nice engulfing move to the downside. I am definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.